Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Are you one of those players that does not like pool drills? Well, I'll bet you are, because most people do not. But let me cover something that may help you. I'm going to shoot this pool drill in a different way. I'm going to pocket that red up there in the corner. And I'm going to then respot that ball. Now I'm going to put pressure on myself to where I have to pocket this red back in this pocket again. And I'm going to then look at how I can get shape on this red by shooting this ball in. And I'm going to do the same thing. Spot the red. I'm looking at how I can get shape to pocket this red in that corner. I put this red back out. Try to get shape again. A little bit far. That's okay. I can still pocket in that pocket, right? I have either one of those. And I'm going to then try to get shape. Somewhere about in there would be nice. Play a little inside to kill it here. Do you see what I'm doing right now? This is a pool drill, but it's a totally different variation of it. It's a continuation situation. It's going to make you shoot different shots. It's not the same shot like a pool drill is. It's more of a challenge, right? I've had to already, just in that little bit that I just showed you, I've had to make different decisions. This type of exercise is going to make you a better player faster, without a doubt. I can attest to this because it's the way that I have learned this game in the short period of time, less than 3 years that I've been playing it, okay? I'm too old, you guys. I'm 68. I'm not supposed to get good at pool. I'm supposed to be in the declining years. But if you practice with purpose like this, it's going to help you in your game. I had to share this with you. I have to show this because don't think of pool drills as something that's just boring. They can be very, very beneficial, and they can be very challenging, like you just saw there, and they're going to make you think, and you're going to have more interest, and you're not going to be in a monotonous situation that you're not going to like, okay? If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope this can help you. Leave a like, by the way. Those likes help me in my channel. Subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much, all of you that already have. The channel has grown so much. I really appreciate that. Till next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.